Abdullah, it's time for Quran. Let's go.
Oh, really? Let me just step out. So you guys also leave your stuff and get ready for the Quran class.
Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum, read al-Quran the easy way. Lesson number 18a on med. So what is med? Med means to stretch the sound. So, in the previous lessons, we learned that there are 3 different types of med. Alif med, Ya med, and Waw med. And in this lesson, we will learn 3 more additional meds. So the first one is attached med. In Arabic, we can call it med muttasil. So, when an alif med, ya med, or waw med is followed by a hamza in the same word, then this is attached med. Attached med has a pointed end on its sign. Also, we must stretch the sound 4 to 5 harakat, not 2. Now let's practice some frequently occurring words in the Quran with attached med in them. Also, repeat after me twice. So, in this first word, there is attached med. And to know that there is attached med, you have 2 clues. The first one is that there is hamza coming after alif med in the same word. And the second one is that there is a pointy sign on the alif med. So this is attached med. And we read it like this. Ja'a. Repeat after me twice. Ja'a. 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 Sha'a. 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 Su'un. 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 Ulaika. 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 Haula'i. 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 Yasha'u. 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 As-sama'i. 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 Isra'ila. 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 That's all for now. Next lesson, I will bring to you a new med. So stay tuned. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.